war veteran and outspoken activist Blessed Geza, who called on Zimbabweans to rise up in nationwide protest on October 17, urging citizens to reclaim the country from corrupt elites and government looters. Sanabena mashikubuda panguva ino murachinzi, time to take back Zimbabwe from elites and looters. Geza said, don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tivina mnamo mdanyo kwa mchinzi. In a fiery address on Saturday afternoon, Geza criticized President Emmerson Mnangagwa and his close allies, including Shigananda, for enriching themselves while ordinary Zimbabweans continue to face economic hardship and declining access to essential services. In quotes, removing Mnangagwa is our duty. We are appealing to citizens to unite on October 17. Let's converge for a common cause. We can only liberate ourselves from Mnangagwa's dictatorship. Nobody else will do it for us, Geza said, calling for widespread participation in the upcoming demonstrations. He highlighted stark inequalities, noting that while government officials enjoy lavish specs and buy expensive vehicles, hospitals remain understocked, civil servants struggle to survive on meagre wages, and ordinary citizens bear the brunt of rising living costs. Chivayo is buying vehicles for people, yet our hospitals lack basic medication. Our civil servants are suffering. This is the time to act, Geza added. Geza's call comes amid growing public frustration over economic decline, shortages of essential goods, and poor service delivery. Observers say the October 17 protests will test both the opposition's organizational strength and citizens' resolve, as Zimbabweans watch closely to see if the demonstrations can challenge the entrenched ruling elite. Ndomashwa panguva ino munhu wese atarisira on 17 October kuti vaona kuti zvichapera mushe here panguva ine patinonika yezimbabwe it has been completely captured. Tiudzei mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Mabvina comment section medu za mafungiro enyu. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.